Switching gears over to sustainability, the Economic Commission for Latin America, also known as ECLAC, recently sat down with Aruba's Council of Ministers to discuss the efforts that has been made towards sustainability and what else needs to be done. Representatives from ECLAC met with Prime Minister Mike Eamon's cabinet to go over sustainability. Charmaine Gomez, the Chief of Sustainable Development Unit for the Caribbean, provides details on the discussion.
We basically presented to the Council of Ministers the work that ECLAC has been doing in Aruba, the support that ECLAC has been providing to Aruba in the articulation of an energy policy, in the training of personnel in the energy sector, in the removal of fiscal and regulatory barriers to energy efficiency and renewable energy, and also to mention to the Council of Ministers the work that we will be expected to do in supporting Aruba in achieving its goal of sustainable energy by 2020.
According to ECLAC's observation, Aruba continues to do their part to reach the 2020 vision. Charmaine Gomez provides examples.
Aruba is doing a very, very good job in achieving this vision. The country is embarking on promoting solar energy, wind energy. We visited a solar facility yesterday. We saw the wind farm, and we know there are plans to actually increase the amount of solar energy that will be available, for example, at the airport. For example, with the construction of a new wind farm. We're looking at a waste-to-energy facility that will be operational soon, and Aruba is well on its way to achieving its vision of sustainable energy by 2020.
On the next show, the Economic Commission for Latin America has formally asked the Prime Minister to be involved with a road safety project that involves Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America, and the Caribbean. The plans involve creating a safer driving environment for various nations. We'll have details on that Wednesday night.